Je ka buɗe wancan wani zage-zage ɗaya ban zai jawo ka ɗaya zai jawo ka ya zai jawo ka zaunar da shi somebody ka zauna wani ya shiga ya zauna ka zauna da shi zauna.
Welcome. I told you that I'll be giving you the update of the protest going on in Nigeria. But first of all, we have to go to Kaduna. Kaduna is now on a hit. A policeman was shot, armored cars damaged. Please, I would want you to watch the video of what is going on in Kaduna. Exactly, I am going to be updating you minute by minute of what is going on in Nigerian protest of end bad governance. Please stay tuned. And if this is your first time of coming across my videos and you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. And my returning subscribers and my returning viewers, thank you so much. Continue following us here. We'll be giving you hints of what is going on in end governance protests. Please be on the line.